National Transportation Safety Board is investigating a deadly plane crash at a Dallas airshow.
6 people were killed when these 2 World War II planes collided midair on Saturday afternoon at the Dallas Executive Airport. Cell phone videos capturing the enormous fire and huge plumes of black smoke.
Our team methodically and systematically reviews all evidence and considers all potential factors to determine the probable cause. This is the beginning of a long process. We will not jump to any conclusions. One of the things we would probably most likely be trying to determine is why those aircraft were at co-altitude in the same airspace at the same time.
The NTSB says these historic planes do not have black boxes that record flight data. So that, of course, will make the investigation a lot more difficult.